Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll demonstrate a step-by-step guide how to convert Outlook email to PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. You can find the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. The first step is to open your Zapier account and create Zap. In the Zap editor, let's add the Microsoft Outlook app to start up our automation workflow. And choose the new email option to trigger when a new email is received in the inbox. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Outlook account to Zapier. To set up the trigger, navigate to the Shared Inbox field in Zap Editor. Here, you can specify a specific shared inbox that you have access to in order to retrieve Outlook emails, or you can leave the field blank to monitor your own inbox directly. Once you have set up the trigger to monitor your Outlook inbox, test the trigger to ensure that it is working properly. Now that the trigger has been successfully tested, the next step is to set up the action to convert the Outlook email to PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. To do this, you will need to add another app to the Zap and select PDF.co as the target app. Next, you can choose the specific action to perform, which is the HTML to PDF converter. In order to use PDF.co to Zapier, you need to connect your PDF.co account by adding your API key. You can find the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the action configuration. In the Input HTML or URL to convert field, select the body content option from the Outlook email that you want to convert to PDF. If you wish to make further customizations, you can also adjust other parameters such as page orientation, size, margin, and more. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we will use the default values. Next, enter a name for your output PDF file in the name field. Once you have set up the configuration to your desired settings, it is important to test the action to ensure that everything is working properly. PDF.co has successfully processed our request and returned a URL for the generated PDF file. To view the output, please copy and paste the URL provided into your web browser. Here's the generated PDF output from Outlook email. It would be helpful to review the generated PDF output to ensure that it meets your requirements and contains all the necessary information. We offer a wide range of tutorials that you can access through our PDF.co website or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.